This video will show you how to install WordPress in cPanel manually. Installing WordPress manually gives you more control over the installation process and a better understanding of WordPress. It's an easy step-by-step process, which can be done in under 10 minutes. First, go to wordpress.org. Then click Get WordPress. Next, download the latest version of WordPress. This will be saved as a zip file on your computer. We will come back to this shortly. Log in to your cPanel account. This can be done via your hosting dashboard. You need to create a database and user for WordPress, but don't worry, it's easy. Click on MySQL Database Wizard. Step 1 is to create a database name. Best to keep this unique and easy to identify. After that, click Next Step. Step 2 is to create a database username. Again, keep this unique and easy to identify. Create a password that is strong by using the password generator. Be sure to copy the password and save it to your computer. Check this box that asks if you have saved the password. Then click Use Password. After that, click Create User. Step 3 is to add the user to the database. First, be sure to copy the user and database info, shown here. Copy and paste this info with your saved password as you'll need it shortly. Once done, check the All Privileges box. Then click Make Changes. Step 4 shows that you have completed creating a database and user for WordPress. Next, click Return Home. Scroll down to the Files section and click on File Manager. Look for a folder named as your domain name. As we are adding an additional domain, this folder will be outside the public HTML folder. Click on your domain name folder. Upload the WordPress zip file into this folder. Click Upload. Once uploaded, click Go back to the folder. The next step is to select the zip folder and click Extract. A pop-up will appear to check where you want the extracted files to go. It should be pre-populated with the folder you previously created. Next, click Extract Files. Close the pop-up that shows the extraction results. Now you will see a folder called WordPress. The next step is to copy all the files from inside this WordPress folder into the main domain folder that's open now. It's easy, so first click to open the WordPress folder. Then check Select All. Click your mouse and hold it down as you move all files over to your main folder. Then release your mouse click. Wait a moment and all files will disappear. Click on your domain folder and all the individual WordPress files and folders will be there. We are almost finished, but first we have to enter the database, user, and password into one of the files. Scroll down to the wp-config sample PHP file. Select the file, then click Edit. Click Edit on the pop-up as well. Paste in your database name that you saved before. Then paste in your database username. Then paste in your password. For extra security, it's best to change these lines to unique phrases. Go to this website address and it will generate them instantly for you to copy. Paste those unique phrases here. Finally, for even more security, change WP to some other letters, but be sure to place them before the underscore. Click Save Changes, then click Close. Next you rename the wp-config sample PHP file. Just select the file and click Rename. Simply remove sample from the name as shown. Then click Rename File. Just a little more to go. Next step is to put your domain URL into a browser to see this screen. Then select the language you prefer. Enter the name of your website. Enter your username. For security, don't use admin or something easy to guess in relation to your website. Enter a strong password, or use the suggested password. Enter your email address. If you don't want your website indexed in search engines straight away, check this box. You can always allow the website to be indexed later. Click Install WordPress. Success! This is always nice to see. Before clicking Login, I always like to open another tab and enter my URL to see what it looks like. It's very basic right now, so in another video we'll create a good design. Return to the Success tab. Click Login to see your WordPress dashboard. Copy this login URL and save it somewhere for later reference. Well, there you have it. Your new WordPress website is ready and waiting to design and fill with content. Please subscribe if this helped. I'd really appreciate it.